Hey, good morning. Barry Wilson from Wilson Auto Repair. We're working on a Fairlane, and one of the jobs we have today is to remove the rear leaf springs. So Tristan here is holding it like a baby, and it usually arcs underneath here, comes up and attaches up here at the right here where there's a shackle is what's called, and it hangs down in the spring fixture. But the big problem I want to point out with removing old leaf springs is this bolt right here. They call that an eye bolt, and it holds this spring in, and half the time these things are stuck. So there's not a real good answer for that, but one is to put a punch on the other side and try to drive it out. Another one that we do sometimes is get a real good wheel, cutting off wheel, and run it right up beside the spring here and cut the bolt so we can get the spring out with the bolt still in it, because they're very difficult to get out of there once they've been in there for 50 years. Hope that's helpful. I'm Barry Wilson with Wilson Auto Repair. Go to my website, wilsonauto.com, for more information on how to fix your classic car.